In the previous video, we have done the installation of pfSense firewall. Now, in this video, I am going to show you how we can do the basic configuration of pfSense firewall. So go to your IP and log in with the credentials. These are the default credentials. Username is admin and password is pfSense. And here you can see the basic information. And this is the CPU usage, and this is the memory usage of your firewall. And you can also see the disk, how much the disk is used by this firewall. And these are the support option, and these are your interfaces and IP addresses that have been configured. So now on the top of this screen you can see some menus, and there is a warning sign that you have to change the default password. So go to this link, change the password in the user manager, and type your favorite password, whatever you want to give. And click on save button. So now the password has been set. Click on pfSense. And if you remember when we were doing the installation videos, a setup wizard has come when we have logged in to the firewall. So here you can access the setup wizard system. Go to the setup wizard. On the setup wizard first, click on next. Click on next on the Netgate global support. And here you can give the host name if you want. Default is pfSense. You can give the domain name if you have any. And you can also give the primary DNS server, so secondary DNS server if you have in your organization. Click on next. These are the NTP information, and you can choose your time zone from here. I am from India and I will choose here. You can choose here anything you want or leave it to the default. I will choose Asia, Kolkata. That is Indian time zone. You can choose your. Here you can configure the WAN interface. If you have a static IP address from your ISP, you can assign it from here. I will use the DHCP because I don't have static IP. These are the general information you can fill. This is the subnet mask, DHCP client configuration option. If you're connecting over dial-up or PPTP, you can define your settings here. Click on next. And this is the LAN IP address and subnet mask. And this is the admin password. And click on reload. So the firewall is reloading. So now wizard is completed and click on finish. So now if you want to enable the advanced settings, like you want to switch to HTTPS, you can click here. If you want to change the default port number, you can assign the port number here. These are the secure shell if you want to enable the SSH. You have option password or public key, or use public key, or require both password and public key. Leave it to the default if you don't have the public key. And this is the port number. If you want to change, you can change here. By default, it is 22. So these are all the setting you can do here. Log in again. So these are the settings we do post the process uh, for setting up the firewall. So in this way, you can configure the basic configuration of a firewall. Thanks for watching.